a vehicle company that wanted price tags for their vehicles to hang on the mirrors. We decided to use our laser cutter with our AM laser tube and mirrors to cut out the foam. It's great for precision cutting and the quality is perfect. The next step was to print the vinyl. We did it on 6 pass and bidirectional printing. Vinyl with UV protection over it because they want to write and reuse this price tags for many more years to come. After that, we applied the UV coat and let it sit for a while to dry out, and then we put it onto the cutout we made with a laser cutter and made sure it fits perfectly and that the client would be able to write and reuse it. Okay, let's go and give it a quick test. And look at that, it fits perfectly.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Khumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine. I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.